Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between automatic drip and manual reinvestment. Number 1. Automatic drip means dividends are automatically used to buy more shares, whereas manual reinvestment means the investor personally decides whether and when to reinvest the dividend. Number 2. Automatic drip requires very little ongoing effort from the investor, whereas manual reinvestment requires active decision-making and regular involvement. Number 3. Automatic drip usually reinvests dividends immediately on the dividend payment date, whereas manual reinvestment happens only when the investor chooses to place the order. Number 4. Automatic drip is highly convenient and hands-off, whereas manual reinvestment is less convenient but offers more flexibility. Number 5. Automatic drip gives little control over the purchase price, whereas manual reinvestment gives the investor greater control over the entry price. Number 6. In automatic drip, cash is usually not received because it is automatically reinvested, whereas in manual reinvestment, the investor receives the cash first and can decide whether to hold it, spend it, or invest it. Number 7. Automatic drip mainly reinvests into the same stock or fund that paid the dividend, whereas manual reinvestment can be directed into the same asset or into a completely different investment. Number 8. Automatic drip creates automatic compounding without requiring extra action, whereas manual reinvestment only creates compounding if the investor actually follows through and reinvests. Number 9. Automatic drip reduces hesitation and market timing mistakes, whereas manual reinvestment is more exposed to delay, indecision, or emotional investing behavior. Number 10. Automatic drip keeps adding to the existing holding over time, whereas manual reinvestment allows the investor to rebalance the portfolio across different holdings or sectors. Number 11. Automatic drip often allows fractional share purchases, whereas manual reinvestment may depend more on broker features and minimum trade rules. Number 12. Automatic drip is often low-cost or commission-free within the plan, whereas manual reinvestment may involve normal trade costs or spreads depending on the broker. Number 13. Automatic drip is best suited for passive long-term investors, whereas manual reinvestment is better suited for active investors who want more control. Number 14. Automatic drip usually needs minimal monitoring after setup, whereas manual reinvestment requires more regular monitoring and action from the investor. Number 15. Overall, automatic drip is an automated and disciplined reinvestment strategy, whereas manual reinvestment is a flexible and decision-based reinvestment strategy. So, the key takeaway is that automatic drip is ideal for simple, disciplined compounding with minimal effort, whereas manual reinvestment offers more flexibility, better price control, and more portfolio management choice. This lecture is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.